Let's make healthy carrot cake. Making applesauce at home. All you have to do is take apples, red apples, peel them, cut them, chop them small, and then just cook them. I have sliced them into very small pieces, added some water and put them on the stove to cook. All you have to do is just see that you are able to mash it and the water is dry, and your applesauce will be ready. This way, if you make the applesauce at home, you are free of preservatives. Stay healthy, think healthy. It's almost done. Applesauce is ready. Almond flour, oat flour, nutmeg, salt, baking powder 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Just mix it roughly. It's been a while since I made any baking video because I was making health videos and there were so many questions that I needed to do research and give you the correct knowledge. But I got a chance to make this healthy cake. I thought, why not share it with you guys? Do try this recipe and tell me how it came out for you guys. Adding 2 spoons of tapioca flour. It helps the batter to be strong, just like we add corn flour in regular flour to make it strong cake flour. One-third cup maple syrup. This is our sweetener. 4 tablespoons coconut oil. This is homemade coconut oil. I have a video on that. You can watch it. It's on YouTube. It's on Instagram as well. 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Almond milk. And our applesauce made at home. 3 eggs. Just mix it. I'm using the rubber spatula because the steel one makes noise. When you are folding batter for the cake, always fold it. Don't do this like this, because like this it will trap the air and help the cake to rise better. And that's what we want. Now that we've mixed everything, now we are adding the carrots. We've cooked them slightly and again fold them inside. It's a carrot cake, so carrots have to be the main ingredient, and it gives a beautiful color to it also. Using a Bundt pan, because this is a Bundt cake, so let's see. I've just coated it with oil and some flour. Adding some honey from the top, because I just tasted it and it's not too sweet, so I will just put it on the top and then I'll stir it while it's in the pan. And this is organic honey. I'm just going to mix it a bit so that the honey goes in. Just swirl it slightly. This is how we control the damage. I usually taste the batter before pouring it in the pan so I can add anything. This time I forgot. but it is still not baked, so I can do it. So this is it, it's ready now. I have filled it up, and after filling it up, always tap on the pan. If there is any bubble, it comes up and it also levels it. Okay, I'm putting it in the oven. Making caramel sauce with 2 cans of coconut milk and 4 tablespoons of coconut sugar. You can add more coconut sugar if you like. Cake is slightly stuck, so I'm trying to remove it, and I was successful. Adding caramel sauce on top of the cake. You can add as much as you like because it adds moisture and flavor. This caramel sauce is really good. You can use it with so many desserts and cakes. Chopped some walnuts, added them on top, and then more sauce on top. Also serve the caramel sauce with the cake so that we can pour it on top of each slice. Do try it and let me know, and do follow for more such nice recipes.